Aimol Tampak village of Tengnopal craving for healthcare facilities. Lamjingba Group celebrates third Foundation Day. Chairman Jackie Mangang highlights a slew of future ventures. Wabagai area bandh disrupts normal life. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me Mandira, and now the news in detail. Contrary to the claim by the Manipur government on providing extensive healthcare facility and other benefits to uplift the downtrodden section of the society, Aimol Tampak in Tengnopal district has remained a medical care facility starved village. Aimol Tampak has 40 hamlets, but only 3 nurses are running the lone PHSC there. Village authority Khosirlian Songthu said that Aimol Tampak has 40 hamlets which depend on the lone PHSC for medical treatment. It runs without a doctor, but there are 3 A&M and 2 MTW and 1 CHO. In case of emergency, the remote village faces a lot of difficulties, he said. Former Chief Minister Okram Ebobi Singh had assured to upgrade the PHSC to a PHC, which is yet to be fulfilled till date, and hence the villagers have to face hardships.
Chief Minister Okram Ebobi masamak dasu date shok pandrasu la agamasi health center si oihalani hai na masapaw mana feel si de changaga yengbir bani adu fawbari hik fawbara kalsu tawde adu oibana asumai thambai saru oiradi sai hairi bungumna aikoi tomadasu nate primary se aikoi na donate tawra khunna pibani lamse thambi darsu jare haibungsu aikoi prayanadi pami.
Aimol Tampak Chief C.H. Pasho said that primary occupation of the village is cattle farming. But when seasonal diseases strike, major problem crops up as there are no staff at the veterinary hospital at the village. He said the land where the veterinary hospital is located belongs to the village, and so we feel like to take back the land since the hospital has been left unfunctional.
Adu ekoi si nuai taba amadi luching den apabelite NDC pajabelite MLA lite ekoi si aimo laiba yati se masing yam naba yati amani ekoi sile libsi dising manga ekoi district esida kungang mapan lay Churchanpura ani lay Sanaputi da lay amara madun ekoi MLA kabdi ngamdarabnina angam mangam dun amtaraga kain tore akoi si dusi biduna yarabadi masi batiktan tabak tawbi habsi akoi ga pambani.
Lamjingba Group, one of the leading companies in Manipur, celebrated its third Foundation Day today at the City Convention Centre Palace Compound, Imphal. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam was the chief guest of the glittering function, while Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Sanasam Jackie Mangang, and Director of Lamjingba Group, Waikom Herojit, were the President and Guest of Honor, respectively. Minister Karam Shyam inaugurated the auspicious function by lighting up the lamp. The minister also launched Tom TV cable networking service at the event. Addressing the gathering, Karam Shyam stated that today's event marked the completion of 3 years service rendered to the people by Lamjingba Group. He also applauded the company for its commendable contributions in providing jobs to more than 1,200 individuals in 23 different departments under the company. He stated that Lamjingba Group plays an immense role in the state and is one of the fastest growing companies dealing in various areas like drinking water, cab service, affordable housing scheme, jewelry and more. On the occasion, Chairman Sanasam Jackie Mangang conveyed his greetings to the people on completing 3 years of service by Lamjingba Group. He expressed happiness that, as promised during the second Foundation Day, most of the tasks have been accomplished by the company. He also said that a new office of Lamjingba Group has already been opened in Malaysia and currently reflecting on opening another branch in China as well. Jackie informed that the company is also planning to inaugurate a 5-star hotel prior to the next Sangai festival. Detailing more on future projects of the company, he said a new hospital is coming up this August. Moreover, the group is also focusing on opening a private medical college for Northeast region and also educational institutions by next year. Jackie also mentioned that the group is now mulling opening a Lamjingba trade center. As part of the event, all the directors of Lamjingba Group also shared their viewpoints. Later, a technical session for all the departments was also held.
lamjingba group na sibogi stage ta lai se maroina kathok ba haiba pot ki mami ma ina tab ui men lamjingba gi mai pa ko de kathok po du ne aduga yamna transparent laina thabak sing ji tawrak pa aduga yamna leverage oi bagi mami ma tai adi paisa du na thabak adu khak taw gada mane haibagi wakhalon da nataba lamjingba group se manipur gi khunai da yamna mangjin thaba प्रजागी थाजब सागत पयाब अदु अदि ग्रुप अम ओहिंदब यादे हाइबगी वाखलोंद लैबिरिबा स्टाफ लिसिंग अमग सनीगी कंट्रीब्यूशन हाइबसे मैनेजमेंट कांगुन कैदोंग दसु कोफम थोकते अदुना गुड मैनेजमेंट लैबदगी लमजिंग ग्रुप माई पाकपनी ईश्वरना सु थौजान बिबोइसनु हेन हेन माई पाकलखो
टेंशन जरपदा अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट कोई होटल and resort private limited haidi hotel si koi almost construction finish amadi ngasai gi interior gi work si ma loisan jaraga next year gi before sangai festival ahead ta koi launch tong na plan leijare aduduna hairu si gi tang da haidi mayamna koi na haidi luxury oiba food habit aduga party gi oiba lifestyle sing se koi na hairu 5-star level gi oiba sugumba develop torok sida हाइबा खुदोंग चाबसी मयाम दा दुम पिजगे हाबसी मथम जगे लोयन हॉस्पिटल दा कोई आइदी हाना अरी यामना लीरगा होलमबा अखोगी लांगोल व्यू चैरिटेबल क्लिनिक सी कोई लमजिंग ग्रुप ना एक्वायर तौजरबा मतुंग दा लमजिंग हॉस्पिटल एंड मेडिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट हाइदना कोई री एक्वायर तौरगा मसी कोई फंक्शनल ओइना लाक्लिबा अगस्त गी हौजरगनी अदुना हाइबसिदसु अखोइना अतो अतोपदा लैरिबा हेल्थ केयर की इंडस्ट्री जिदगी कितंग टॉप ना अखोइ फर्स्ट आईओटी बेस्ड हेल्थ केयर हॉस्पिटल इन एंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्ट ओइगने खले अदुबा सुंबा प्रोजेक्टिंग लैरि लोयन अखोइ हाइरिबसिदा लायंग बो मतमदा हाइदी स्कीम खरा जुम थोलकनी हाइदी हाना हाइदी अखोइ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी जु लैरि अदो इंश्योरेंस मक्ति अखोइ गी ओइबा कंपनी लैतबनिना अखोइना स्कीम ओइना सेमगा हाइरिबसिदा अखोइना पैकेज सेमगा यामना हाइदी लायरदबा थीदना चप मानब मोंगदा कोई ट्रीटमेंट तौबगी यामना पैसा संगदबिदा एफोर्डेबल ओइबा मोता.
Life was hit today in Wabagai area of Kakching district due to the 48-hour band imposed by the Joint Action Demand Committee on School Phagathansi mission for Wabagai High School. The band is in protest against exclusion of one of the oldest schools of Manipur, Wabagai High School, from the School Phagathansi Let's Improve School mission launched by the state government. Traffic movement was disrupted and markets remained closed during the band. No untoward incidents were reported during the course of the strike, which began at 5 a.m. In the wake of water shortage issue in the state since the past 1 month, MLA of Oinam constituency and chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore visited the Oinam water supply scheme to assess the ongoing work of the project. In this regard, the MLA told reporters that the construction work has put on hold for some time due to the Lok Sabha elections model code of conduct. He also sought support from the people towards expediting the work. Radhakishore assured his contribution towards ensuring the water supply scheme a success.
15 days ki munungda great bim lakpa amadi hariba wall se semba ayak tawjagani hanagi scheme jigi makada leriba isinga se khoi pore Oinam gi akoi ba sida round akoi side by side khaire haragan ising piba gi thabuk sathari ba lakadori ba project achok si laktring de su akoi ising khragadi thakpa kona ba haiba tare hadi ngamnamak pitak ba ngamdra ka su akoi maigai na na tawraga suksoi soidana akoi pitak chakani.
We are now heading to a short break, but stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates on the other side of the break.
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirao.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching to honba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last ba khong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh BKS Manipur Prant has urged farmers and the landowners to include a Xerox copy of land ownership document along with Aadhaar card while buying fertilizers. Speaking at the press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, BKS leader Talim Dara Singh said that the concerned departments distribute fertilizers to farmers which are in stock at the godowns of respective deputy commissioners.
से युगा लोइनना एकोई प्रोजेक्ट थारी मधु मणिपुर की युमथों खुदिमुक्ते यूबी मंगा तरुक तुसु थारगा यूबी की खुदोंग थीब नंगिबा यूबी की पैसा करोड़ मणिपुर हाइदोई बसी मसी कन्नबा किसान संगना यामन कन्न संगनजरी मसी सोइनों की माई पाकने खली मार्च दा प्रोजेक्ट थागरे अकोई हुजिक दिल्ली दा चलगा प्रोजेक्ट की लिखुल लीनबा मिनिस्टर दा खंगनबा अकोई किसान संगन कन्न होनजरी.
Alcoholics Anonymous Group of Redemption AAGR has observed its 18th anniversary at Thau Club, Thangmaiban today. AAGR is an organization which takes steps to bring alcoholics back to normal life. Secretary of the group said the organization functions as a support system and dedicates in helping alcoholics who wanted to abstain from alcohol and overcome addiction.
Asige pangthoiba program sida akogi non alcoholic mayam singsu hadi yu kamaina yu seasonadaba or yu hana seasonaramaga lepningba mi mayam amsu leidi ado lepadi isana ngamdaba ai isamak ta haijarga ju ai isa hana yu lepang ngamjaramdi adum mayam akoi members mayam singje punsanaraga aigi awaba mayamgi awaba sharing amaga sharing tanarakanda sharing and caring program ji tawrakanda magi awaba du kadaida karam baduna magi ahu du karam baduna akoi amana ama member amana ama imung manung gi hoisanu ma personal gi hoisanu akoi mateng pangnaraga kamdongna adugi problem duna maram oiraga ma amuka hanna yu du thakchan khitana ba akoina ama member mayam singje mateng pangnaraga somaina akoi leirakpani ngasi ji chahi 19 linkhatpagi akoi gi foundation day hata anniversary hat tare Alcoholics Anonymous ki group of redemption ngasi pangthok sabane June tarik 19 sida.
Ahead of Disturbance-Free Educational Zone Demand Day to be held on July 5th, the Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, has launched a year-long awareness campaign today. Desam volunteers conducted the awareness campaign at Comet School, Messi Explorer Academy, Extra Edge School, Herbert School and Little Flower School. Vice President of Desam, Namairakpam Edison, said the awareness campaign is held to make students understand about the disturbance-free educational institutes in Manipur, as students in the state face a lot of inconveniences due to issues coming up from time to time in the state.
अखोइना ngasi hauraga tongan tongan ba school sing tongan tongan ba college sing akoi education institution sing stage da koi masida leiriba mahiroi sing siga masigi matang da khoina khanan neina ba hariba sida kaidum kari maram gi damak akoina sigum education gi maru oiba aduga education sector stage da sigum bagi campaign ama disturbance free zone ohen gada bani habagi campaign ama chathara ise masi kari maram gi chathare bino haibadugi akoi gi keno idea share to mina ba madugi campaign dugi sara umoina khoi school sing gi class sing da changaga khoi class sing da leiriba khoi mahiroi mayam siga madugi interaction program तौबगी कोई प्रोग्राम से अखोइना ngasi अमुक मसे अखोइना अमुक रिज्यूम तौजबनी हाना ममांग चथबदुगी मखा तारकपा कैंपेन सिगी पार्ट अमोइना
Several students also participated in the campaign. Memthoy Laishram, a student of Commerce School, Chungangai, thanked Dissam for organizing the awareness campaign.
Nungtigi karakanda nungtigi chang naina tamdrabadi lakisu hairoi nomakak parakanda haidoba natte ada disturbance yamna thokpa asigumbai matangdasu khaina satra moina phajna khangjalakanda laik tamingai matamdai laik phajna tamba cooperation phajna pinaba mayam adumbai matangda khara saram takpirame tamgyan najai.
A team of Thoubal police station last night seized a huge quantity of illicit foreign liquor from the possession of a bottlegger identified as Ilangbam Nityai Singh, aged 50 years, son of E. Iboton Singh of Khangabok Lamlong Bazar. He was later handed over to excise officer in charge Thoubal for further necessary action, a report said today. A 30-minute film titled Look at the Sky by Ashok Vailo from Manipur's Purul village in Senapati district won the Best Short Fiction Award at the 12th International Documentary and Short Film Festival of Kerala, which was held from June 21st to 26th at Thiruvananthapuram. The film is about a man who courageously fights for his rights after being outcast from his own birthplace for not supporting the village candidate in the election. Well, let's take a short break, but coming up, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, emphasizes on restoration of land in more than 400 villages in Meghalaya.
Smart Universal Academy da class 9 tamlibi mahiroi Elangam Reshma Devina Indian Space Research Organization as sponsored taukiba Sri Harikota amasung Nesak Shillong da pangthokiba Young Scientist Program da mahakna group leader oiba group aduna identification of water by satellite imaging haiba project asina second position tarakpada school management teaching and non-teaching staff Smart Universal Academy na nungaiba amasung apenba phongdokche
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidate singna admission tobibi yaragani campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba Medical College ni room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khuding gi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year first to fourth year same fees MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics chemistry biology and English 60% in aggregate Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani subnataki seat 15 khaktani akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosam Babupara phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277
Welcome back. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, participated in the Cox Forum 2019 dialogue on land and security held from 27 to 30th June in Montreux, Switzerland. Addressing the audience, the CM expressed happiness to be a part of the dialogue and gave an insight of the state and said that Meghalaya is a small state with a population of about 3.3 million people, yet the state is known worldwide for receiving the heaviest rainfall in the world. The Chief Minister also apprised the gathering about the traditional and indigenous costumes and practices of the people. He also informed the gathering about the land tenure system, the sacred groves and the living root bridges of the state. He also informed that the state has about 6,500 villages and the government will ensure that the national resource management plans are made through full community participation. He informed that there is also a special emphasis on restoration of land in more than 400 villages of Meghalaya.
That is half the size of Denmark, a population of about 3.3 million people. And I think the biggest aspect that is there about our state, which a lot of people know, is the fact that we are a state that is known worldwide for the rainfall that we receive. We have almost 1,200 centimeters of rainfall in a year. And the heaviest place, or the place that receives the highest rainfall, the number 1 position and number 2 position, both are held by our state. So therefore, we do receive a lot of rain, and that's why the word Meghalaya has been appropriately given to us, which is simple meaning is abode of clouds. Another very important aspect of what our state is that in 2018 we came into global spotlight.
It may be noted that the annual Cox Forum, through conferences, training and dialogues, aims to inspire, equip and connect people, groups and organizations to build a just, sustainable and peaceful world. Each year, in a safe space of trust, care, solidarity and respect, around 1,500 participants from civil society, government and business meet in a true diversity of ages, genders, cultures, sectors and beliefs, which builds bridges across cultural, social and ethnic divides. Dispur police arrested a drug peddler with 100 grams of brown sugar from 6 Mile area in Guwahati. The drug peddler, identified as Noor Islam, 18, was arrested at 1 p.m. today. The police found that the arrested Noor Islam was carrying the illegal drugs inside his helmet. Police also seized 20 containers and 4 mobile phones from his possession. Kashmiris are our brothers and sisters and we want to embrace them, Amit Shah said while moving the Amendment Bill of Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Act 2014 in the Lok Sabha today. The legislation will provide reservation in educational institutions and government jobs to those living within 10 km of the international border along with the line of control. Responding to charges of growing divide between Srinagar and New Delhi, Shah agreed there is a chasm between Kashmir and India, blaming Congress leaders for planting the seeds of mistrust. The Union Home Minister further said the elections in the state would be held in the next 6 months after the ongoing Amarnath Yatra concludes. Shah also launched a scathing attack against the ruling dynasty in the valley, saying that the common people wanted a break from the Abdullahs and other political families who had maintained an iron grip on everything from Panchayat polls to Lok Sabha election, stifling democracy in the process. World leaders attending a Group of 20 summit in Japan are clashing over the values that have served for decades as the foundation of their cooperation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today put forward a 5-point approach to address common challenges facing the world, including protectionism, unilateralism at global financial organizations like the WTO and terrorism. The PM also met South Korean President Moon Jae-in and discussed ways to enhance trade, economic and people-to-people relations. During their meeting, the two leaders expressed mutual desire to synergize India's Act East policy with South Korea's New Southern policy. Now let's have a look at the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Chief Minister orders book flight to Delhi. Many stay away from cabinet meet. Central Management Information System to come into force from August 1. Half-cooked PMGSY work fapes villagers. The People's Chronicle. PB Asoria sworn in as Manipur governor. State fares poorly in rural drinking water supply. Nagaland ministers quiff on non-Nagas upsets NSCN. Chief Minister announces ₹5 lakh reward for conserving rain groundwater. Ban lifted for some expenditures. Imphal Free Press. All possible help will be extended for successful implementation of rainwater harvesting policy, says Chief Minister. Court releases MLA Yomthong Haokip on bail. Interim State Governor PV Asoria sworn in as State Constitutional Head. Road construction comes under halt. Villagers raise suspicions. The Morning Bell. Cabinet OK's committee to monitor registration of land sale. 6 cabinet ministers abstain from cabinet meeting. Janims doctors conduct first keyhole spine surgery in state. Manipur Human Rights Commission observe its 21st Foundation Day. Government neglecting MHRC because the commission always stood against it. Chief Minister appeals for conservation of rain and groundwater. Top performer to be awarded ₹5 lakhs. Nagaland governor sworn in as governor of Manipur. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister appeals to conserve rainwater and groundwater. PB Asoria sworn in as Manipur governor. Bombay High Court upholds quota for Maratha community.
Now before we wrap up, the top stories once again. Far off Aimol Tampak village of Tangnopal craving for healthcare facilities. Lamjingba Group celebrates celebrates 3rd Foundation Day, Chairman Jackie Mangang highlights a slew of future ventures. And Wabagai area Bandh disrupts normal life. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.